Okay, so this is the video for Lab 3, Day 2. I'm going to show you the setup where we measure temperature using a cold junction. I am using two terminals on the DAQ board. One is connected to a shorted BNC cable and the other is connected to a cold junction thermocouple. And I'm going to, this is the cold junction and this is the measuring tip. Initially, I'm going to dip them into the ice bath. So the cold junction is going into ice bath, and as well as the measuring tip is going into the ice bath. So I'm reading 0 degrees Celsius here. Let me show you my LabVIEW program. So it's a slight modification of what we had last time. So here I have the voltage output from the thermocouple, so it is 0.3 millivolts, and the shorted BNC is giving me 0.3 millivolts, and the difference between them is a noise level, so it is practically zero. And it means that my setup is working, because remember, if I have a thermocouple with a cold junction, and if the measuring tip and the cold junction is both at the ice bath, I should get 0 millivolts output, and it's indeed what I'm getting here. But just see that I have to correct for an offset voltage, and the offset voltage I read with a shorted BNC. Okay, so in this program now you have two different channels, actually 3 different channels here. The first one is going to be the channel that reports the temperature. The second one is the channel where you get the voltage